go! Yeah! We got an SVR! Oh my god! It's not for my county! Let's go!
New York until 11:15 p.m.
Another SVR! Oh my god! It just strengthened! What the heck? Oh my god!
Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be
Don't.
March 7th around 10:40 p.m. LaGuardia Airport.
Oh, there it goes. What's happening?
A lot of.
Well, what's happening?
Lower floor, so those races getting overturned by all men. With this storm, move indoors immediately.
Why is it not relaying it on 95.5 FM? What?
To the stadium. So like kind of a dome.
Showers likely with isolated thunderstorms late this evening. Then a chance of showers with isolated thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Then showers likely with a slight.
Oh, I think this station is in Kings County. I don't know.